Cristian Camilo Muñoz was a talented professional cyclist from Boyacá, Colombia, racing for New Colombia. At 30 years old, he represented the strength of Colombian climbing culture and the new generation of riders emerging from high-altitude regions. His career reflected discipline, endurance, and technical skill developed on the demanding mountain roads of his homeland. During the Tour du Jura in France on April 18, he suffered a crash on a high-speed descent. What followed became a tragic reminder of the physical risks in professional road racing and the ongoing need for improved safety in the sport. What makes professional road cycling physically dangerous even with modern equipment? Professional road racing combines extreme endurance with high speed. Riders often descend mountains at speeds exceeding 100 km per hour while wearing minimal protective gear. The bicycles are extremely light and optimized for aerodynamics, which improves performance but reduces stability during sudden braking or sharp cornering. The narrow tires and aggressive riding position increase responsiveness but leave little margin for error when road conditions change. Why aerodynamic positioning can increase risk during descents. Cyclists lower their torso and shift weight forward to reduce wind resistance. This improves speed but reduces the ability to react quickly to unexpected obstacles. When riders descend in tight groups, small movements ripple through the peloton. Any sudden braking, contact, or gravel on the road can cause instability. Lightweight frames and wheels respond quickly, but they also transmit road vibrations that can make control more difficult at very high speeds. What protection do riders actually have during a crash? Professional cyclists rely mainly on helmets, gloves, sunglasses, and thin performance clothing. These materials are designed for ventilation and aerodynamics rather than impact protection. Helmets reduce the risk of severe head injuries, but the arms, legs, and torso remain largely exposed. This means crashes often lead to fractures, abrasions, or soft tissue injuries, especially during high-speed descents. How modern helmet technology improves safety. UCI-approved helmets use layered foam structures designed to absorb impact energy. Some designs include systems that reduce rotational forces during angled crashes. The outer shell distributes impact while ventilation channels maintain airflow. These helmets significantly reduce head trauma, but they cannot eliminate risk, particularly when crashes occur at extreme speeds or involve secondary impacts. What race safety protocols exist for dangerous conditions? Race organizers apply structured safety rules to reduce risk. Extreme weather protocols allow races to be neutralized, shortened, or rerouted when rain, heat, or snow create dangerous conditions. Officials monitor wind, temperature, and road surfaces. Teams receive updates through race radio, allowing riders to prepare for technical descents or hazardous areas. How course marshals help protect riders during races. Course marshals are positioned along dangerous sections, especially descents and sharp corners. They signal hazards, guide spectators away from the road, and communicate with race officials. Motorbike marshals travel near the peloton to report obstacles or crashes. Their role is essential because riders descending at high speed have very limited time to react. How organizers inspect descents before competition. Technical teams evaluate routes before the race. They check road width, surface quality, corner sharpness, and potential obstacles. Gravel and debris are cleared where possible. Protective barriers may be installed in high-risk areas. Warning signs are placed before dangerous corners. These inspections aim to reduce unpredictable hazards while preserving the challenge of the course. How incidents are analyzed to improve future race safety. After serious crashes, organizers review footage, rider feedback, and course conditions. They study whether barriers were sufficient, whether signage was visible, and whether road surfaces contributed to the accident. This analysis often leads to improved padding, clearer warnings, and revised route planning. Cycling safety evolves gradually through lessons learned from past incidents. Why Boyacá produces many world-class climbers. Boyacá is located at high altitude with mountainous terrain. Riders grow up training on long climbs and thin air, naturally developing endurance and climbing efficiency. The region has a strong cycling culture, with local races and community support encouraging young athletes. This environment builds riders who are comfortable on steep gradients and technical descents. What Cristian Camilo Muñoz represented for his community. Muñoz symbolized perseverance and opportunity. Coming from Boyaca, he carried the pride of a region known for producing resilient climbers. His journey to professional racing inspired young cyclists who see sport as a path to international competition. His career reflected dedication, discipline, and the cultural importance of cycling in Colombian mountain communities. Why improving safety honors fallen athletes. Each tragedy reminds the cycling world that performance must evolve alongside protection. Better barriers, smarter helmets, improved communication systems, and safer course design can reduce risk. Honoring riders means continuing to develop technology and procedures that protect athletes without removing the competitive nature of the sport. What safety innovations could improve professional cycling? Possible improvements include airbag-style protective suits, enhanced limb protection, smart crash sensors, improved road padding, wider tire standards for stability, and real-time hazard alerts. Continued research into materials and aerodynamics could also balance performance with safety. What can viewers reflect on after this story? The balance between speed and safety defines professional cycling. Riders push physical and technical limits while trusting organizers and equipment to protect them. The legacy of athletes like Cristian Camilo Muñoz encourages ongoing improvements that make the sport safer for future generations. Finally, thank you for watching this educational documentary. Share your thoughts about safety innovations you would like to see in professional cycling. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this story so more people understand both the beauty and the risks of professional road racing.